Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document on iPad. First, locate your PDF file within the Apple Files app or your preferred document manager on your iPad. Simply tap on the document to open it. Once the PDF is open, you will see a toolbar, often at the top of your screen, containing various editing options. This crucial initial step prepares your document for the signing process. Once your PDF is open, look for the markup icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. It typically resembles a pen tip or a marker. Tapping this icon will reveal a powerful set of drawing and annotation tools at the bottom of your display. These tools allow you to interact directly with your document, preparing it for your signature. It is a very intuitive process. Now, with the markup toolbar active, tap the plus sign icon on the far right. From the pop-up menu, select Signature. You can then draw your signature using your finger or an Apple Pencil on the designated line. Once drawn, tap Done. Your signature will appear on the document, ready for you to drag, resize, and position it precisely where it needs to be. Once your signature is perfectly placed and you are satisfied, tap the Done button, typically found in the top left or right corner of your screen. This action saves all your changes to the PDF document. The updated file will then be readily available for sharing. You can email it, send it through a messaging app, or upload it to a cloud service with just a few taps. It is that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.